I'd just like to speak briefly today about trial by jury. Trial by jury is a birthright. It's a birthright. And you can trace it back to Anglo-Saxon law, Magna Carta, and so on and so forth, right through for the next following 400, 500, 600, 700 years, along with other aspects of English law, which I don't tend to go into because this is not a lecture on the history of law. But what we do understand, it is our birthright to be tried by, as it were, our peers, and it's an entitlement, and it's a much respected part of English law, which was carried on, of course, to the United States and various other parts of the world, the system of jury. Now, leaving all that aside, it's been abandoned or partially abandoned by a man with no education, very little intellect, and I would suspect no deep feeling for how the English, or the British certainly feel about this aspect of law, because it's in our blood, it flows in our veins. And you can't be a Johnny-come-lately and just turn up to this country and start actually feeling like that. And that's not a criticism. That's not an overall criticism of anybody. That's how it is. You have to feel some of these things in your blood. And so we have a man of no intellect, no education. He can't be bothered to make sure that our courts open. The Free Speech Union pointed out just the other day that only 75% of our courts are actually open. And that doesn't mean to say I want lots and lots of judges beefed up, who are Fabians or anything like that. I want the principles of English law to be adhered to. Not difficult, let's go on and do it. The consistent erosion of our hereditary entitlements is going to end up with civil war. It's been said before by other people. I didn't really buy it, but I do think sooner or later we will have to go to the barricades to sort this out.